Now this window has hard water stains. I'm not sure how well that's showing up, but anyway, let's see down here maybe. But this is usually a sprinkler is hitting the window, or sometimes rainwater, usually sprinklers and that sort of thing. When you have this sort of deposit on the window, it can be kind of difficult to get off. And you have to get a little abrasive, I guess. So you start by cleaning the window as normal. To knock off any debris and dirt that's on here. And when there's hard water stains on a window like this, you can feel it with your squeegee. And you might be able to hear that too. The window is not smooth. It's kind of coarse. So then you want to mop up your window again. Get it all nice and soapy and wet. I'm going to start by razoring the entire window. Mop up the window again. And then you're going to take quad-aught steel wool. That's 4 zeros. This is the finest steel wool you can get. And you're going to scrub the window with this. And it's very important that you have soapy water on the window when you're doing this so that you don't scratch the glass. And you want to start by working the edges all the way around. And you work the entire pane. I need some more water on my mop. Okay. Mop up the window again. And this time when you squeegee it off, it should feel a lot smoother. Which it does. Ahead and clean up and detail your window. And take a look. Again, I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but now those water spots are all gone. This is a completely clean window. There are some occasions when that is not good enough and you have to use an acid-based cleaner to remove the rest of the spots. But in my experience, most of the time, this works. I've also had it where I had to scrub the window a couple times with the steel wool, but again, most of the time, this seems to work. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, this video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.